Hi, hello. When we were editing about the lunch menu, which we would like to make, which appealed for all the ages for our traditional function, we were a bit lost. Swinging between a typical Gujarati menu, which my daughter did not approve for her function, and the same all the assortments of the world cuisines, which we've already done many times. We were a bit confused there. Then Harsh pitched in with the idea of a grazing station. At first, me and my husband, we were a bit like, what's a grazing station? We were a little bit laid back. But slowly, when he explained the concept and he put in the concept to show us how it would be, we were floored. Something like that has never happened in our community, not in our circle, not in anyone that I have known. This was a very exciting and a gripping idea. And all the idea that Harsh gave us, which just flowed in, it was fantastic. The main hurdle came to us as the placement of the station, which was supposed to be our highlight of the function. It was very prominent and a discreet place. Fortunately, Harsh displayed it in such a manner that it became the highlight of the function. People thought that it was a part of the decor and it's just there. It's not something that we would like to go and see upon. Once, when he started putting up all the special items that he had suggested us, which was the cheese log grazing station, which was a wow factor, people were just like not wanting to move from the station itself. And we had to cater for like my father-in-law who's 75 and my little daughter who's 7. We had to cater to that kind of people. So they all were like really really happy to see something special and something like this happening over there. We had fondues, we had hummus, we had different kind of cheeses, cheese platters, Spanish peppers, olives, apricots. I'm like, the list never ended. It was so beautifully placed by Harsh that it was just a wow thing for us. Of course, we had our traditional food like pani puri and kachoris and pav bhaji and things like those. But the highlight was the cheese grazing station, and people just moved around that. It was like, it was never ending for them. It was like we've not satisfied ourselves having something like this. We would like to thank Harsh and his team for such a fabulous and impeccable execution of his novel. Novel's concept, basically, I would say. It was truly, truly was the talk and the flavor of the season that we had, and we really, really would like to thank Harsh for doing all of this. Hats off. Keep it up. Thank you, Harsh.